been a while since G announced the Muffy D winner. Yo, let's give away a Muffy D. Alright, give me 2 minutes.
Go, start to go. Cherry, go. Yeah, go. Sounds dope. Meet me in the office. Alright, boys, let's see what we got here. Mike, I got like 50 fucking people outside. Let's go.
Let me just write these names down. Right lane _ J, winner, baby. Come get your Muffy D.
Let's give you 2 Ramsey or burnout. We got more wide bodies than Golden Corral. Let's go.
What's up? What's up?
Oh shit!
Hello?
Yo, Mike, get over here. Kevin just destroyed his motor.
I don't know what it is. I just enjoy when Justin messes with Kevin. Oh, shit. Kev, you're not suing anyone. Q's gonna fire him anyway.
Mother of God.
Kev, gas it.
How about this? I'll buy you a new block, but I get to tie you to the telephone pole for at least 15 minutes.
You gotta do that to me, man. How many times I gotta take one for the team every damn video, man? It's messed up, but I'm down with it.
Alright, give me a sign.
Oh, man.
All right.
Hell yeah. You know the vibe.
He's not walking home either.